These 8 genius kitchen gadgets are blowing up on Amazon right now, and for good reason. From effortless garlic pressing to pro-level meat shredding, get ready to upgrade your kitchen game. Let's dive in. Tired of struggling with garlic? Meet the Vantic Garlic Press Rocker, your new favorite kitchen gadget. Its innovative arc design and comfortable handle make mincing garlic effortless, even for small hands or weak grips. Just rock back and forth to crush garlic in seconds. No more sore wrists or messy chopping. Made from premium stainless steel and high-quality silicone, it's rust-proof, durable, and built to last. Cleanup is a breeze too. Garlic stays on the surface, so no more digging into tiny crevices. Plus, it comes with a peeler, scraper, and cleaning brush. Upgrade your kitchen game with the Vantic Garlic Press today. Price just $7. Tackle pulled pork like a pro with these durable meat claws. No burns, no mess, just effortless shredding. Impress your crew with perfect texture every time, from juicy pork to tender ribs. These ergonomic barbecue claws turn you into the ultimate grill master. And when the feast is over, just toss them in the dishwasher. Grill, chill, and shred like a legend. Price just $7. Meet the BioloMix Stand Mixer, your ultimate kitchen upgrade. With a powerful 1200W DC motor and ultra-quiet performance, it handles tough doughs and delicate batters with ease. The sleek OLED touchscreen lets you control 11 variable speeds and monitor time and settings in real time. Its tilt-head design and 5.2-quart stainless steel bowl make mixing, whisking, and kneading effortless. Plus, anti-slip suction cups keep it steady while you work. Whether you're baking bread or whipping cream, this stand mixer brings power, precision, and convenience right to your countertop. Price just $129. For the perfect way to chill your drinks in style? The Wibberman Ice Cube Tray with lid and bin is your go-to solution. Made from durable plastic, it easily releases perfectly round ice balls. No hassle like silicone molds. Its compact design fits even in small fridges, and the tiny ice spheres cool your beverages fast. Perfect for holidays or everyday refreshment. Made from food-grade long-lasting materials, this tray set is safe and built to last. So go ahead, elevate your drinks with stylish, cute little ice balls that are sure to impress your guests. Price just $9. Tired of cluttered cabinets? Meet the Cabinet Caddy Snap, your ultimate spice rack organizer. With adjustable shelves that snap into 5 positions, customize storage for any jar, from tiny tins to tall bottles. Designed for tight spaces, it's just 8.9 inch tall and fits snugly in cabinets needing only 11 depth and 9 height. Connect multiple caddies magnetically for endless modular storage, then pull, rotate, and grab spices in seconds. Plus, enjoy stick-on labels, a small things tray with stabilizing foam, and non-skid 3M feet for wobble-free access. Transform chaos into order. Effortlessly stop. Spring into action with the Dream Farm Smud, the world's best potato masher that's simply smashing. With a stainless steel spring coil and ergonomic soft grip handle, it effortlessly creates smooth, fluffy mash in seconds. Just push down and let the spring do the work, while the silicone scraper cleans your bowl without a scratch. Dishwasher safe and heat resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it's perfect for potatoes, pumpkins, fruit, and even guac. And don't forget, add a red mini spoon to your cart. This is the 3-in-1 herb tool is a kitchen game changer. It strips rosemary and thyme with ease, minces herbs fast with 4 sharp blades, and scrapes them together effortlessly. The palm-shaped grip makes rolling smooth and comfortable. It's detachable, dishwasher safe, and features a retractable blade for safe storage. Got issues? Hassle-free support's got your back. Price just $19. Stay on top of your health with this durable and spacious daily pill box organizer. Perfect for sorting your weekly pills in advance. Each large compartment fits 7 fish oils and 20 capsules, with a secure, BPA-free design made from high-quality ABS and food-grade PP materials. Featuring 3 slots per day, morning, noon, and night, you'll never miss a dose, and the upgraded print lasts up to 10,000 uses. The lids stay tightly shut to prevent spills, and the 7 removable boxes are perfect for daily, on-the-go use.